What's up, guys? Welcome to another Small Win Wednesday, where we give you one super actionable tip that you can apply to your life or business right now. And in this quick video, I'm gonna give you my one best tip for overcoming overwhelm, procrastination, bettering your mental health. Like, if you ever found yourself just in a rut and you can't motivate yourself to do anything, well, this video is gonna give you at least the best way I've found in order to overcome that. So you might be wondering why I look like a homeless person. Fair question. It's because I just got off the mountain, that mountain, where now it also looks like I'm in the middle of a snow globe. But I was reminded about this thing that I've done a video on it in the past, but I was reminded about it today. So I've been in Vail, Colorado for the last few days. I've been surrounded by people. I've been skiing with different people every day. I've been hanging out with my dad. There's been all sorts of stuff going on. And at the end of the day, I just feel drained. And then when I wake up in the morning and I try and go get some work done, I can't motivate myself to do anything. And so today I was gonna take the day off from skiing, even though clearly awesome powder day. What do you mean we don't have the video of the 720? No, I'm sure it's there. Just fine. It's there. You guys know I could do a 720 hitting that jump, right? Right? All right. Besides the point. So I was gonna take the day off from skiing, and I said, you know what? Even though my friends are gonna sleep in, I'm gonna go try and get some turns in and just see how it goes. And then I'll work in the afternoon. And I was overwhelmed just thinking about that because I've got so much that I need to get done. And what ended up happening was about 2 hours into skiing, I got really excited to get back to work. And that forms the crux of my best tip for, finding motivation, beating procrastination, doing that. And that one thing is take half a day to do something you love by yourself. That's an important part. I've been skiing for the last couple days, but I've been with people. I haven't had a chance to just decompress and think and, make plans for what I wanted to work on. By going skiing by myself, I had all this time to think and plan and get motivated and get re-energized and excited about my business. And I'm amazed, normally, after a day like this, I'd go and I'd just go back to sleep or take a nap or probably not do a whole lot the rest of the day. Now I'm making a video, I'm gonna go edit another video, I'm gonna go work on some 80 Club stuff. I got all sorts of stuff I'm gonna do this afternoon. And it's because even though I was overwhelmed, even though I had a lot to do, even though it felt like I should be doing something productive, I took the time, I did something for myself, something I loved, skiing, and now I'm more excited than ever to get back to work. Sorry, I know, shadow, whatever, deal with it. A couple years ago, I did a video about how I often go golf and how that's often the time that I take to re-energize and think about my business and recharge. Not quite the shot I was looking for, but that's totally gonna work. But I golf all the time, and sometimes it just stresses me out because I think I should be working. I ski quite a bit, sometimes stresses me out because they're all day activities often, and so you feel like you should be doing something else. The key is to do it by yourself. To have that time to think, to decompress. I can't believe how much even just 3 hours out in the mountain has changed my outlook, my motivation, my mental attitude, all of those things. So I just want to shoot a quick video because this was just a good reminder for me as to how valuable that can be. So no matter what it is that you like to do, maybe it's just going for a walk in your neighborhood, maybe it's going for a hike, maybe it's making a quilt, I don't know, whatever it is, spend some time doing that thing you love, no distractions around, just you, the thing you love to do. And I bet the more you start to do that, you're gonna start feeling more motivated, you're gonna start feeling happier, you're gonna start feeling better about the things that you're doing. All right, with that said, I know we've had a lot of long videos lately, so I want this to be a quick one. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't. Make sure to hit that little notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you like that concept. If you're gonna go out and do something for yourself, give this a thumbs up. And with that, I'll catch you on the next video. Have a great day. Welcome to my snow globe.